Hello friends and welcome to Study Center. This will be the last session of the series where we are discussing important national and international days. We have already covered all the previous 11 months and in today's session we will be covering the month December. The link to the complete playlist will be in the description box. Let's get started. 1st of December is World AIDS Day. We celebrate this day to raise awareness and knowledge about HIV and to make a call to move forward to ending the HIV epidemic. Keep in mind that World AIDS Vaccine Day is on 18th of May. 2nd of December is National Pollution Control Day. This is the day in the memory of the persons who lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy. Bhopal gas tragedy is a gas leak incident on the midnight of 2nd and 3rd December in the year 1984 at the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This incident is considered as the world's worst industrial disaster, as over 5 lakh people were exposed to methyl isocyanate gas, which is a highly toxic gas. 2nd of December is also International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. This day creates awareness against forced labor, child labor, and human trafficking. The celebration is organized by International Labour Organization, which has its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. 3rd of December is International Day of Persons with Disability. This day promotes the right of persons with disabilities and inclusiveness in all spheres of development. 4th of December is Indian Navy Day. We celebrate this day to recognize the achievement and roles of the Indian Navy for the country. On this day in the year 1971, during the Operation Trident, the Indian Navy has sank 4 Pakistani vessels, which has later helped India to victory. On this day, we also remember the martyrdom of Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. World Human Rights Day is on 10th of December. On 10th of December in the year 1948, in the United Nations General Assembly, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted and proclaimed. 11th of December is International Mountain Day. This day is celebrated to draw attention to the important roles that the mountain regions play in the supply of water and food. 14th of December is National Energy Conservation Day. On this day, awareness is created about the importance of energy and the need for its conservation in daily life. It is organized by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency or BEE under the Ministry of Power. 16th of December is Vijay Diwas. On 16th of December in the year 1972, the Pakistani forces surrendered to the allied forces of Indian Army and Mukti Bahini, leading to the liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan. On this day, we remember the martyrs and their sacrifices. But keep in mind, the Kargil Vijay Diwas is on 26th of July. 18th of December is Minority Rights Day in India. This day preserves and promotes the right of minority communities in India. 18th of December is also International Migrants Day. On this day, awareness is created about the protection of migrants and refugees. Keep in mind, World Refugee Day is on 20th of June. 19th of December is Goa Liberation Day. On 19th of December in the year 1961, Goa was released from the Portuguese dominion. 22nd of December is National Mathematics Day. This is the birth anniversary of the greatest mathematician of India, Srinivas Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December in the year 1887. 23rd of December is Kisan Diwas. This is the birth anniversary of 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh. He was also referred as champion of India's peasant, as his policies helped in improving the lives of peasants in India. 24th of December is National Consumer Rights Day. On this day, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 had received the assent of the President. This day is observed on an aim to strengthen the consumer redressal mechanism. So that's it, friends. Those were some of the important days for the month of December. And now we have completed this series. Do let us know in the comment section whether you like the series or not. And also, if you have some suggestion for our channel, feel free to comment, as this will help us to improve further. A small announcement that we are now on Instagram in the name of studycenter_online. In this page, we are uploading daily current affair updates and we are making quiz of current affair questions and strategic questions of SSC. So make sure that you follow us on there also. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next session.